Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Bluetooth error. Try connecting your device again. So in this case, you have to go here, this search box and write Bluetooth and other devices settings. This one. Click on this. Then you'll find here your Bluetooth connected devices. So all you have to choose your specific that device, which is your issue. So just let's see this MIBT box is not connecting with my Bluetooth. So what I'm gonna do is click here, and you'll find here remove device. Just click on remove device and try to connect again. Okay, just click on this remove and connect as new. After done this, if your problem is still, then you have to go to the second step, which is troubleshooting settings. So you have to click here again, this search box, and write troubleshoot settings. Then you'll find here additional troubleshooters, this one. Click on this additional troubleshooters. Then on the left side, you'll find here Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth and just select run the troubleshooter. Hold on, it is detecting the problem if it's any. You can see that check Bluetooth radio status is fixed. Now check back, and if you find there if still issues, then go to the third step, which is clicking here again on search box and write services. Hit enter. Now you'll find all of this application here. You have to find Bluetooth audio gateway devices in B section. So sorry, you have to find first Bluetooth support service automatic. Okay, click on this Bluetooth support service, double click, and you'll find here the startup type. You can see here the startup type, which is manual. You have to click on this drop down menu and make it automatic. Then you have to look for this service status, which should be running. If you find this is stopped or anything like this, I'm just showing you. If you're seeing that it is stopped, you have to make it start again and make sure the service status is running. Now click apply and click OK. Now check back if your problem fixed or not. If not fixed yet, you have to do this thing again. Bluetooth audio gateway, this one. Double click on this. Same thing. Just click on this drop down menu. Now automatic. Then make sure your service status is running. Click on apply, click on OK. Then you'll find here last thing, Bluetooth user support service. Double click, do the same, make it automatic, and your service status should be running, but here it is stopped. How to running this? Click on this start, and you'll find this is status is running right now. Just click on apply and OK. Just make sure it is running and automatic. Okay, now check back if your problem is fixed or not. But if you find still the problem, then do the fifth step, which is going here and write device manager, hit enter, find Bluetooth from here like this, Bluetooth, and right click on this Bluetooth. Sorry, what's the Bluetooth device? This one. Right click and click on update driver. Search automatically for drivers, click on this, and it is already the updated drivers is installed. Now click on close. Now check back if your problem fixed or not. If it's still the problem, what you're gonna do is you have to right click on this and just uninstall the device. After making uninstall it, restart your computer and check back. I am sure that your problem will be fixed. Okay, so guys, if this video find you helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.